Good evening, everybody. This is your girl. You know the one. Boogie. Look, y'all. I know we all have come across a monkey wrench, you know, in life. But I don't know what kind of wrench this chick was on, or what kind of wrench was thrown in her path. But I saw some of the ungodliest stuff. Y'all, if you in the predicament where you ain't got nothing else to wear, and you decide to put your man's underwear on, like they shorts. I'm talking about the ones, the tighter whities, the long ones like biking shorts, somewhat, but they ain't, 'cause they got the little trap though. Yeah, come on, please. It ain't no monkey wrench that can be thrown into plans that have me distraught enough to where I'm coming out in public and think it's all right in a pair of hands with a trap door. It ain't happening. Y'all, what is going on? We've lost contact with common sense. Please, can we find it? Please. Y'all help your sisters out. Who ask some questions. Is everything all right? And if it ain't, stop by the house. I'ma help you. Whew. It's pitiful. We in a bad all the way around. The pandemic was the monkey wrench, but it has thrown a lot of us off course. Holla at me, why don't you?